everyone, welcome back to my channel Some Sprint. So today's tutorial is a step-by-step guide on creating and customizing charts in Microsoft Excel. So charts are essential for visualizing data, making trends easier to understand. So we will cover different type of charts, how to create them and how to customize them. So let's get on it and then see how to create the charts and how to customize them in Excel. But before jumping on that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe Some Sprint. I will be very thankful for that. So here I do have this simple data. So these are the monthly sales. So these are the sales here based on these months, right? So we are going to create the basic charts here. Right, so first let's convert this one into table. So select the data, go to insert and then click on tables. It will be converted into tables now. So we have converted our data into table now, and then now let's insert the charts. So to insert the chart, we need to select the data range, right? So make sure the headers are included into your data range. So when we selected the data range, go to insert and then here you can see the options for charts. So it has we can either click on the recommended charts, or here are the different charts as well: pie chart, line chart, bar charts, or the other charts as well. So let's click on the recommended chart here. So the first one is clustered column. So let's select this one and then click OK. So it has created this chart for us. Now we want to move this one. So how we can move this one here? So when we move this chart, don't click within the chart. So it's better if you click on the edge of the chart. Click here on the edge of the chart and then drag it wherever you want to move it, right? So suppose we are going to move this one here. So and then next, if you want to change resize it, if you want to, because it looks a little bit bigger here, so we want to resize here. So what we need to do, we need to click on the suppose on this edge, left hand side edge. So we click here, so you can see the arrow sign here. So click on the arrow sign and then drag it to, so it has resized now. So whatever the resize you want to keep, you can resize this one as well. So next, the next customization we want to make, we don't want this title here. We want to give it title. Suppose let's say we are going to give it monthly sales. So click within this title and then you can rename it monthly sales, right? So in this way you can rename the title of the chart. And here we also want to give the access, right? So what we need to do, when you click within the chart, you can see the different options here. Click on the chart elements, click on chart elements, and then it has access titles. So click here, then it will give us the access titles. So here the access titles we are going to give like months, and then here we are going to give like amounts in let's say rupees, right? And then if you want to move this one, so you can move wherever you want. And then let's check the other options as well, the data labels. If you click on the data labels, and then it will put all the amounts, sale amounts on the top of the column, whatever the columns we do have. So let's untick this one because we don't want this one. Instead of the data labels, we want the data table, right? So click on data table, it will convert this one into data tables. Let's do this one, let's make it a little bit bigger. So here and now a little bit more, so that what happens. So let's move this one to the bottom. So see, January, February, March, all the sales are here now. If you don't want the data table, untick this one and then it will gone. Another one, the grid line. If you want to give the grid line, if you want to give the legends, like if the, so this is a sale. Sometimes what happens, these bars are in different colors, and we don't know which color is for which months or states or whatever, if it depends on the data. So if you want to give this legends here, you can click it here as well. If you want to give the trend line, you can also click on that trend line. But we don't want any these customizations, so we have unticked everything. Right, so the next one, format the chart. So how we can format the chart? So let's say we want to change the color, right? So click here we do have the chart designs. So you can click on chart designs on top of the spreadsheet. If you want to format here, you can click on format, and then the colors, whatever the colors you want, whatever the shape fill you want, so you can select all the options from here as well. So now we are going to change the color, and then here are the different color options. Whatever the color option you want, you can select it from here as well, right? But we want to keep this one in this color, so let's just select this one. The next one, if you want to change the chart style, suppose we don't want this column chart here. Instead of column chart, we want bar chart, or let's say pie chart. So what we need to do, just right click within the chart, and then you will be able to see one of the option that is called change chart style or type. So click here, the new window will pop up here, and then you will be able to see the different charts. Here it's a line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area, map, stock, different charts are here. So whatever the chart option you want to select, you can select that one. Let's say we are going to select pie chart here, right? So pie chart, under pie chart we do have different, like 3D pie chart, pie of pie, and then bar of pie, and then the donut chart is very famous now, but we are going to create just simple chart here. We have selected this one, click OK, right? So it will convert the column chart into pie chart. But now we are unable to see, we can't see which sale is for which month, right? So we need to put the legends here. So click on this plus sign, means chart elements, and then click on legends. So now all the legends are here. Here we can see, for like this orange color is for February, and then this is for March, and then this brown color is for August, as like so on, right? So and the last one, yes, so here we have covered everything, almost everything in this our charts. So this is the basic information. Here we do have chart options. If you want to change the width, compound type, dash type, so whatever you want to make the changes. If you want to put the a solid line or automatic or gradient line, whatever. If you want to like give the shadow, glow, soft edges, 3D format, and then we also do have the text option, the text, whatever the text. So if you want to change the text colors, you can select it from here. Suppose we have selected the orange, so it will change the text into orange colors. We do have these. If you want to put any line, if you want to put the solid line, so you can select that one. So whatever the changes you want to do here, so you can select it from here as well, right? So yeah, so congratulations, we have successfully learned how to create and customize charts in Excel. So hope you like this video. If you like, please comment and share, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon button. And then I'll see you again with the new video. The new video will be on the advanced charts, how to create the advanced charts. So this is the basic video. Now I will come up with the new video on the advanced level, right? So thanks for now, and see you again with the new video. Bye.